What?
You know what fruit that is?
Ulu. Yeah?
Oh, what the?
Our son, ole mo ngai kufua. You don't go near it. It's gonna attack you. It's laying eggs. Yeah. The only time.
Don't smash the chicken breast.
Whoa, Filemu, you have not seen an angry chicken, right? It's gonna. Right, if you lay out el more. Yeah.
If I can beat up a dog.
Lewa fai saka le au boys. Rona mamu.
Wait, can we make eggs?
Shh. Fai leafi, son. So. Fai leafi. I'll show you. I'll show you. No, I'm recording.
You are live.
No, I'm recording. Just recording so you can see.
Show me, you're live.
Just go into the
She's
happy.
live.
Okay. Nè, oi le fai leafi. Nè la fa singoi.
Just show me, bro.
Hi, son. I le fai leafi. Why?
Get the coconut skin. I want to see the... It's alive. You saw it.
Only someone people can see it. Never mind, yeah, son. Son, go the other way. Ay, uipa, ooh. Yeah, no, kiki ele ulu.
Hurry up.
Baile.
Who's mad? Hurry up.
Le saka. San, mai ipu popo e lua o kolu. Mu, mai ipu popo e kolu.
He doesn't know what that is.
Alunga mai ipu popo e kolu. Ale mai. Kire ilo po me kolu popo. Hurry up, son. Nga, yeah, good boy. Mai de kolu o fa. San kau ai mai mea ngai. Pasingo aku i ka mai kire o langa. Ya. Se fai maka le afi. Nga. Ka mai, son. Can you play a song?
What do you need a song for? You need sofa.
Yes, son. Never ai poko se o ka mai fai maka le afi. Ah. Yeah. May naman sisipo. May sisipo.
Another?
May sisipo. Put it on top. No, the other way.
Huh?
Faataitai. Nga. Ko fali awang ipo. Ooh.
Wait.
Kene singa lua ngai fia fai. Ka mai kisa ku ya ku e le lo fai saka. Ai no fa mule afi. Fa pea. Mai sisipo na po a. Mai sisipo na po a. San ale mai e fa fia lai ka kia mai ala la out la pa fa lai ko kia mai.
Oh, look, I found matches.
Nga. Nga. Mai la au ngai firewood.
Matches, guys. Match it on fire. How much they use?
San na lo mai ngai fai. Ka lofa ile valungo vai ska. Ai ngam mo ngu ngai. Ele ka ko ngu fa o le ngam mo ngu ngai fa ya singam ke. Ngai na o ina sia fa na fa ngo fi afa Samoa. Tsala fi pora. Ai se fa kai kai ku ngai ka mai kile. Fenka le o langa i Samoa. Ma ngai le soklo nga mu.
What am I doing now? Do I like
Wa
this on
popoko
fire?
se o fanga o kuka o nga mu ya skali ya le na fa kai kai fa ngolo. Mo son, mai. Gali, that's the last thing to do, son. If I'm on one makale afi ya foi. Yes. I look at color. Huh?
She can't open the toilet.
Olo. Nene kami mai olele.
Ulu.
Olo vai na kenge.
To the toilet. She can't open it.
Ave kami ke whakaere le vai mali o leo. Ai au, so le pea le. Le kafe me le vai a. Ia le yo o aku i o le ngu. Mai, get more firewoods.
Get more fireworks.
Ya kasi. Ano na ni ina fa me ko nga vai por pala. Ulu kenge.
Mama, these don't work.
What happened? Huh? San, fakali fai mo mak, e fai mo makale afi. Ale fai a anti po felanga, po fele afi. Mai le pulu san, mai. Mea ne whai wana. You need to put less on. Ko mai ngisi me wha mai o mai ngā piko ngā. Ngā, ai poko se o ka mai. Hei ngā, kong wā san. Mai la ia. Nei, ko ilana i. Ngā, mai rea man pulu. Mai pulu san, no i ro me ka pulu. Ngā, mai. An pulu la le ko iau kawha. All around the... Whai lei, abe esa mea ngā sana. Ngā ko mai kongo le. Mai. Ko iau kawha i e. Fa asa ile afi ma pui pui e kongo le. Le sau fafo le asa le afi. Vai le puro le ka. Kui kong, aro na kui kong. Pakai nga, you have to put it all around there. Ya, nga.
Come on, brother.
Alo, nga. Mai lo la ia le au lama. Mai lo e me ka le au lama. Pila ia si au lama. Lale. Au lama le kau ka le ko mai lunga osan. It's a dry coconut leaf, yeah. Lale.
Yeah.
Ale au mai.
I knew that. I was testing.
E ngā mu kere ringo o sā ko ia ko e le mo. I ngā mu ia mā ko i sā foku la whai. Ngai kau lunga. Mu au whakau ngā le fikus. Ia o le kalo le whai sakai. Ai e le o kalimu lewa. E ngā maua mai i whangangi. Kanga ia nea. Show you. Kanga whai ese le you need to take them off one by one, yeah. Ha. Maki ngai awang i susu mea ngā wai a susu e le ola le afi. Ma ngai kere le ma. Kune a ngā. Whāna, whakitara o tōni. Kai whai loa ki ngai ka meki painka leo la ngai Samoa le ro whamu le afi o wale aifo. Lewa ai e ko okorukanga kai whamu le afi. Alo la ia sane, mai loa mea ngā. Awea, se whakai mo mua i painga le afi. Both of them. Ka ngai u whapia me le san. Ano mai lea orpo, e u momon me lea. Ka ngala ia e. Mai.
Shut up. Shut up.
Yeah, right. Make it,
Hey, can you not record him?
put them off. Tell my son. Tell my son. I'll hold it. No. Right. That's it. Right. Put the camera away from me.
Right,
685. No. So, hey, go back somewhere. I'll show you what to do. Yeah. Hold on.
Got it?
I think so. Yeah. Esse se afi.
More, bro.
Maya asan.
You're not good at this.
Maya. Esse.
It's so easy, Mo.
It's breaking. Ah, you do it.
Mai.
It's
Hold it.
breaking, trust.
Nila papala. Male ba yung sakay rin.
You guys, sorry.
You do it, Mom. Give it to Ron.
Yeah, Mom. Let me do it.
No, let Ron do it. Oh, yeah, okay. Just got wind though, trust.
Mali pa lang kwan. Mo pa pang kuy.
Let's go swim in the beach.
Sino nga vera sa ka ko ka ole ko awasan. That's what Samoan people do. Kaya mo sa kayo vela yung pa kanya ay for our the kailisan. Ano po ang nagtatang sa ifang nila?
Oh, yeah. The one in the back.
You know you're on live, right? You're on the live.
Oh, mom, come out. We gotta go to
Vai kama ke so. So ali so me mo kanu. So va ko ke de sa o ma fe kama ki ko pe ha ma o e.
You have to make it an arrow. Smoke up.
Oh, wait. Wait.
Go inside, bro.
Dale.
I think I break them. Something. I'll do this.
Yeah, go inside. The people on the live are laughing at you.
The rocks?
They're like, come over there. Nah, I'm kidding.
What?
You gotta teach the young ones that don't know how to do it.
I'll do it. I'll show you some. Can I eat this cooking after?
It's probably bad.
Alright, we got it.
Oh, professional.
Is that bad?
This guy do this every day when he was young.
That's what people in Samoa do every day, Sam.
You're doing it the wrong way.
I do it too. Every day.
Mom, who?
Really? Ela faz força, ela faz sacar. Kamakalan ka, may kinaw. Lifestyle. Nagkakasama yan. Yes!
You still recording me?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Oh, never mind. The viewers dropped drastically since I started recording this, so I'll go back to this.
Let me eat it.
Record more.
Are we cooking the galon here?
Imagine the lifestyle if this is what you do every day in order to eat, Alisa. Yeah, that's so low. Okay, how for you? Huh?
Nah.
Is it easy? Huh?
No.
That's why we should be grateful. Oh, always grateful for the life that you guys live. Because some people have it much harder than others. Sometimes we complain about the things that we don't have instead of being grateful for what we have, because you know, people in Samoa, They don't have much. They don't have all the. Này, nó vô lên để áp phi. Quay cũng này. Nó vô lên để nó cắt không. Ai sẽ nó cắt không được. This is butter.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I'm cutting it. Nó sắp tới nên để phơi khăn cho nó đi. Nó cầm máu hết ai nhỉ? Nó con ngon, con quạ, chắc hơn
Hmm?
Nó con quạ, nó anh đi chơi thôi.
Oh, is he calling him? I think he's calling him. Where are they?
Where's the pig? It's stuck in that.
Oh, they're over there.
Where? Oh, it's coming. Hey, so they're all coming. Is that from our house or the other house? But like they're all coming.
They go for walks.
Oh, yeah, true.
Aw, that's kind of cute.
But even the chickens are coming, bro.
So that's part of your daily role in Samoa as a gallery.
See.
Mà level áo mày lúc phang áo leo quay phang cái cảnh à. Cô ấy đây phang cao ngồi lên grand five every day.
That last one coming. Oh, look, there's baby ones there. Oh, I think they're bullying the baby ones. That's sad, bro. They just put. Shit, I don't thing on that guy's neck. Look, there's a baby one over there.
Still one left here.
There's some baby ones over there. I think that's the mother.
Oh, what? Oh, that's kind of cute. Oh, the small ass ones over there. What the?
They try to come here, but then those ones pull it away. Did I finish it or?
Oh, there's tiny ones over there. They're actually cute.
Hả?
These fat ones are just like fat. Like you.
Ôi lôi ô lúa lẹ mẹ.
Mom, look, the small ones can't eat. No, that's sad.
Lẹ mẹ đừng có phăng quá. Why do they feed?
So they can live.
Yeah, but why do they have pigs?
To make it fat,
So they
so
can
they
eat
can
it.
eat it.
I know. I see. I mẹ đừng phải quá càng cái sao mà.
So they can eat
What
it.
are they for? Yeah, well, there's another reason why they.
To finish the scraps.
Finish the food.
Yeah.
Yeah, finish the food.
What else like
Dogs.
Bobby?
What's that?
Cậu Nga phải phát love. Did you see Grandpa? Grandpa, yeah. Big ones.
Oh, look,
two
even
big
the chickens
ones
are.
for the wedding.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
So they can eat it.
yeah, but then they can eat it, and sometimes.
Oh, was
she
there a
can
bois
cook
at the
it.
wedding?
Huh?
Did they make pork for the wedding?
Not pork, but I think they say.
Yeah, that was what the
The dead one in there. That one
Yeah.
was. Why did they have to kill it like that? Little.
They're cooking.
Let it die in there.
Well, yeah, I put my more.
Yo.
Bye bye. You put fanga. Yeah, put alfanga. I put my more. Oh, they eat the food as well.
I want the baby pigs to come here. Though.
And you may I.
They're over there.
They're cute
They
babies over there.
Yeah.
bullied them away.
Look at this fat pig, bro.
Yeah, they started eating all the food, bro.
But that's their mom. She's gonna feed them, like breastfeed them.
Oh,
Now
you're
making
fat.
them more.
Not jokes, I love you.
Oh, there's more
Yeah.
small ones.
Oh.
Oh, such a bully.
Yeah, it's that one. There's bullying the. Oh, there's the last one.
Here comes a late comer.
Bro.
Mommy, I.
It's your fault, bro.
This guy eating good, bro.
This guy's eating everything, bro. Oh, don't eat the whole thing, bro. Oh, my days.
Yeah? Kaya grandpa pe ako na ako lang sa hotspot. Han, may olefo ko may isi.
But they look so stupid eating.
Look at her.
Oh, look, there's a baby pig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's finally there.
Oh, look, the baby pigs.
Oh,
Sam.
yeah.
Ano may niya na sa hotspot.
They're actually cute.
Pigs, baby pigs.
The baby ones.
I don't know about that. I don't like pigs.
If they weren't so dirty.
Vaila ya muna na ala sa hotspot. They make it come in my son. Ela ko le ako pa. Wait for la come in my.
These people watching pigs eat.
Mai, pasa po ala le ole. Ala le ole san. Wala lo ako ole sa ya to resort. Sa ya to resort.
Yeah, you see that in another life.
Just want to see it. I just want to show
You see it when we go there in another life. Maybe tonight.
Nale, no, nale. Oh.
Watch out, Moo. They bite. They eat people.
Five limena, five grandpa mo. Not all in one place, son. Kulungan maa. Kulungan maa. So may nung ay kulungan maa, son. Nga.
Attack! They don't understand English, Edie.
May eat sila. Nga.
Watch out! Oh, look, they're eating.
Oh, you're scaring them away.
Oh, the baby. Oh my gosh. This guy is eating so much, bro.
Yeah, she's a
Chill.
mom. Hello, whoa, is what? Tauro san. Ese lo si ay ya.
Eat with your family. I never realized how long their faces are.
Huh?
Their face is so long.
Can you take a picture so I can send it to my friend?
I'm Peppa Pig.
Nah, baby's fat.
That's Peppa Pig over there. Oh, look at that tiny baby, bro. She's cute.
Hey, all these ones coming late, bro.
Wish I could zoom
Fat
in.
one's already eating all of them.
Peppa Pig.
See. That's haram, bro.
That's haram. So not haram.
Oi, mate. How you like your food? Whoa!
Oh, is that the one that
A flying chicken.
is that the one that was making that was getting things, mom? That was laying eggs. Hey, mom. I want to eat your eggs now.
So son, if I'm in any point. Đây, cô có lên một con. Đó. Anh lấy nhiều ăn phục vụ. Ngon à, mày ăn ai lên phải cạnh ngõ phục vụ.
Hey, still got a house that's cold.
San, han fasting ako kamala na fanga po ki wala vele ile kolpa. San kule si. Kurunga han fasting ako me ki fanga. Saka. O kalo. Ke whai saka. Ka mai ki kalahan. Whai poko. Ai, talo sia. Me whakaikai aku iei re. Whaingaro lang ai Samoa. San mai popo. Mai popo e. Yo. Mana? Hai Isa. O mai whai ka mai ki loile. Ke loile. Mai ka mai ke whaakau mei. Whaakau solo ia vai ki polo i oile. Ile maa keki ia. Ia ngā whai maa mai o ka mai ki Samoa mai ki kilo mai experience le whain kao le o langa i Samoa. Ia ai, ka asa ia le awhia kenge kia le mali oli. Me ke aka. E ser kua o esis le kofia. Aia, ke whai aku ngā usawa o whai saka o le ai, whai saka. Kua ei wawea o whai saka mele e. Ala me kaunga whai e kaunga cool coffee. Mona, kamen mele se yo al popo. Ako lai ki o popo. Hawaii ako e uma popo ngai. Ele ako e ele lolo e whalifo. Hash. Ko ia. Let me hold the popo. Tanga.
Those baby ones fighting, bro. Those babies were fighting. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, hush, the color.
Don't record me. I'm not good in this.
So, you do this every day, Mom. Go, Mom.
Bro, Ulu's watching. Ulu, why didn't you come help?
Yeah,
Come learn something.
So I don't know that if I answer your little angol popo. Oh. Hi, son.
Nope.
Okay. Ana fa me fa mo te kera ko pro.
Yeah?
Fa o mala me me te kera ko.
I thought this was used to hospital.
No. An ki o ka me kera. Ni sama.
That's small.
Yes, son.
I don't know.
Oh, you know, some say, "Then I'll go to
Kai ni swimming pool.
Swimming pool, yes.
The weather's not for it.
Let's go ourselves.
Yo,
How
na ka
come
me
we
kera
lived in-
pool
Mom,
ya
how
sa.
come we- Mom, how come we lived in ourselves instead of like,
Cuz dad was a pastor.
actually?
My dad was a pastor there.
Wait a minute, Dad.
Is that where you went last time?
Yeah.
Can I try and open that coconut?
Yeah.
In front of these viewers? Watch this, guys.
Come here, I'll show you.
Ulu said,
But you have to be very careful, son. Right? This is very sharp. Yeah,
Oh, you're opening on that.
Oh, right. Sit.
Ulu said, hurry up, she's hungry.
Fire so keep it here.
So she can eat coconut and galo for dinner.
So we're eating for dinner.
Paane lagi lagi ini balik dia orang
The chicken looks scary for some reason. Huh? Let me crack this coconut bread.
Moo, are you scared of a chicken? Are you a chicken? Ooh.
Can I crack this coconut
No,
bread?
son. Ele vai pegar uma.
This is half empty.
Son, dale. Não foi. Não vou. Não faz.
Moo, record. Okay.
That's what we, in Australia.
What's it so dark? I can't see. I've learned that. Shh. Quicker, please. Oh, shut up. Just joking. Hey, he's putting it in the pan. Pigs. Oh, that big one's bullying all of them. The true life of a pig. Hey, you might drop the thing on me, bro. I want to look at the pigs. What are the pigs drinking? Pigs. Yes, sir. Professional coconut. Hot dog. God, I think you need to add some more stuff in it. Fire's dying. Yeah. Huh? Okay. No, it's black and white. I can.
Hey, bro, a Polynesian Zamplateau would be like a machete.
That's racist. Nah, it'd be those things or no? Those things that they. Alright. Sorry.
Mày lại à? Mày đi đâu mẹ? Mày. Xe phải phạt lên mẹ. Sis vai ai la vele tolo pa. Na ne tso malanga ben fa pe wa ne. Oh, hi brother. A ke pole le ya le opo po seu sister. Aya, sa ole ya ko kile o mai ko ka fa mai. Hey, mai, oh mai. Filmu, o mai la ia. Me o mai la ia ka penga kongo ia pulu ia. Fu me kongo pulu ia. Ko ilala ngai fi. You don't play with that. Mai, we mole kama Samoa while you're cooking. E umalonga fa ke el saka. Yeah, and then you clean up. Kai kongo ia. Mona, pa puku fa le ia me ka fa le afi ia pulu. Nga. Ave se la pisi nga sana la pisi mea nga. Ka la pisi pa puku fa le maku fa solo ku kong ole mela. Ka penga fa le ku ka kan pa ai. Nga vai fa la ia dad la lo wa lo la pisi. Ku ia nga. Pa puku fa le ia ipu le sipiko. San fa puku ipu popo I le side le. Pa puku pulu le sipiko. Just pick them up and throw them over. Hi auntie. Hi Lole. Aya, awe ke ka alo mea ngai ma ai. Alo to tidy up. Okay. Vai king pusanga e ku falei ma. Nga. Me se apala po e valoi popo sa Lole valoi popo. Luo mai uma fai saka e kai ka mai kinga fai ngame. O saka. Ia kai ao. Ne wa uma ia whanawilawe o ainga ngā mai ia. Kai au aku ia pia e whakawhao ia lafu. Ia koe whaasolo mai eila ia e asiasi aku i oisi mako. Isi ainga e lesi kōs mako. Muuma. Wana, ka penga o mamea lawa i king pusa lai. Lai ku mai o, si ese mai le kalo. Mai, si mai le ako kalo ngai i le kona lea. Ah, si mai i le kona lea. Ah, apuku whalele o king pusa ia. Le alofa mai ia whaiumu. Whaiumu tamawhili, sa whianga. Ai, o malua o e maul siwhi o mga sula tale wa aisi kamanga leo ta ase makua i mai le masanga whiwhia. Mona, Phil?
Koe malanga lau sunga ko inga i. E ka po wai mai ngā i pia pe au ka.
Oh, kasi apa. Hey, Han, that's too big, ah. Mai sisi apa for lolo mai lalo.
How much have they?
A smaller one. A smaller than that. A one smaller than that. Eh, a little bit smaller than that. Vai, ole apa fai, le whaari fole. Ai, seki aku ai a kamamatsu e makua e. Vai. Makakua e le. A pasto e le makua. Ang painga pekri aku ave a skali au. Wa ave. Nona, vai a dala o al popo. Han, kasi ngoi ka maiki ia demonstrate ka maiki le ang popo. Nga, maya. Pakai kai aku ini. Ne, ka fesili mai whaiumu. Ia, ole wai i, nenga mai ao mai lo ingi saku ia ko. Mga ia singu. Vậy kameki o ka lako e o al popo nga watch out son ke wa e la pakai ka e ko kamangin faingan maso musa e o al popo kasi nga mo lo ang al popo o ya min malung al popo son vai no you can if I ka you can put it up vai o fa pe o kofle o lima mane and try and Vai, queria falar como que Yeah, Mariana, yes, it's just down the road. Mga kaulilo ako lunga ay havai ako si fai penga zoom in. Lalo o the beach nga sa to a resort. Ne kaulo ako lunga o lunga makole le fale le mako fale o lalo lai le aile ne ile sa to a beach resort. Lenga mu ia le fale. Let's see if I can get a view from here.
Your thing is dying.
Huh?
Your thing is dying. The fire.
Can I fix it? For more lalo oh. Right there. Ah, ikaw dilo ako. Nilo ako eh. For lalo yo le sami the beach. Son, feed the fire. Vai si mesmo. Uncle Muale, they say hello, mate. Mo, Uncle Kingisi.
Wait, hello. You just talk on mate.
Asal Han mo punga. Này phải ngồi phía leo lăng rồi. Phải nhà bà mình ngọc căng. Oi, ya. Mangin malang may Mariana. Sa kia Samoa. Tangay la sa musika au fai. Kang yo makala. Au fai mia au fai saka. Ha? Mo, ala mai speaker ule ka ita ko musika. Pamangay ay fangal saka. Son, watch out. Oh. Ako ikang nyama ka. Ipa lang ala. Han. Can you fix it? Yeah. Liao nga un me leo đi. Phải sắc. Oh, hi Sonny. Sonny, say hello. Your brother. We're here at Dad's house, bro. Not sure where it is right now. Oh. O fai o mul fai mai la vea o pa e amala Silvia. Ai foi o fai o e la vea. O ya, eso ne wa makan al leire o popo kameki. Kameki ora orkala. Na me san. Na pen market from Han, can you fix the fire please? Pangalok ker fong istan play mai le pesse. Nona, vai ai la vea. Nice say hello, my Mariana. How are you, brother Sonny? Yes, this is our family in Samoa, Sonny. This is where's Grandpa? This is where is he? I'm gonna go and get. Yeah, yeah, that's a coconut. Oh, that's all. This is where Dad live, Sonny. That's his Samoan kitchen. Let me see where it is. Olu, where's Grandpa? Olu, where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Oh, he's not here. Sorry, brother. Catch him some other time because he's not here. But this is your home in Samoa. This is where he lives. Sorry, they're fasting off, we see. Our brother there. Come and visit. This is ensuite right there. Faceira ela. Vai marcar mais. Hello, brother. Nếu phải cãi phải sắc cả ao boys. Anh ấy đâu có phải nói là coi ingà nè. Rona, not that way. Nah, always do it from that side. That's okay. Keep moving on. Do the next one. Do the next one. Ngã. Phải biết con ngã. Nè ai sao nè kia ngay ơi bia. Do you want me to do it? Ai lucky. O phía mẹ kia dày. Mấy bộ phiền ấy ơi, anh ấy dày các cô. Phía đó ai bia mà cô lấy sao vậy? Phải mà lang aku bia kaya phải cà phê cái mấy kia. O phiền ấy kia cô kia dày mà lạ các cô ấy vậy bia. Kau ya pi ngaki ka ko pi ngaki ya. San, watch out. Ko ingai fa ka ke wai la ve san. Ele ya se si me fa la inga sili ngai lo le kale man mix pi ngaki. Even my kids they love pi ngaki. Oh, ngai kiro le malanga mai oi. Ia kau ya la. Aya, passe, ne, oh mai kilo ile, Rona. San ko inga ke ola vea, because you're doing it the wrong way, son. Menga ning eking inga, it's always one side. Kanga mai, yeah, hold this. Let me show you. Don't record me. Sorry. Tao bukong ungay sun. Your after so come if I even
I want to try that.
How are you recording me?
You want to record me?
Huh?
You want to record me?
For me?
yeah.
Oh. No, I would smoke.
Hả?
Cái kia ở sân.
Mày.
Ôi sân, ôi.
Vậy, nhắn miết nè. Nhắn con miết nè. Nè, nè. Look at that out there. I know what Yeah. What is this? Get a little make on Amelia. Huh?
Thought it was just this broken.
Mele ka alval sanga. No, it's not. Pero me papaya yo le ol mele in mele alo nga. Vai, san. On mele ka alval sanga. Mu mele. Lesa a. Valu sanga. Vai. Evaluai kalo. E ku ulunga ile kalo male ulu. Vai. Nga valu is. Oh. How did you just turn the camera around? Nga valu ai lo le. Of Israel, meaning for your dad. This is a valusanga. And mele ile sigong ka.
Mele.
Huh? Ka. Mele anan mele. Ya kalusanga po. Valusanga. Alan mele lesa fa ilong dad. Kuwai.
Huh?
Or kuwai, maka kuwai. Say it, son. Makakuwai. Huh?
Tastes like water. Tastes like expired water. Why does it taste different?
But it's a little taste of you. It's a little taste of the bacon on the coconut. They don't like it. Ma, face mako fai ngā saka masi au whanga ngi kai au ngi afi. Le la koe fo'i Australia, knowing that ele fai ngofi ele, le kukanga o mea ai ngi Samoa, ele fai ngofi ele life i Samoa. Au ke whakau ngā mea ai, why did you throw this away? I wanted to eat it.
It's broken.
Le leo o, mai mau leo o le ngofi ai e aro ngofi makia.
I didn't know you could eat it.
Tan, it's the best part of the coconut. You haven't tried it, Son, son, this is the best part of the coconut. Oh.
What's the drink? But this one's bad.
Awaki ay popo. Kaya live ako isis kay Mia, nila avela saka, nila avela fa alifu ya sa iyo ako fale.
Dad. What is over there?
Faile leoka limu. Ya mafaile kale kanmo. Yang umay faile fa fianga le fiafi. No fakele ako lava. Kai lavan maka maima. Lo mangwia lava mako ingi Samoa. Le mako ai puar ko filmero ai. Hay là phải mấy cái là việc phải mấy bạn có mà cụ mẹ phải cài phải cầm mấy cái nó phải ngô phía sao ở ngay là mất quậy phải à là việc mà nghe cô cái lấy mất cả mấy mà sao cả là
If you oi au ni bang ke. Wa ko na sunga trai na mari.
Lo fa ko fa yumu ya fa kai lava lo fa ko la vea ma máxima ko uma lava ya fa so for bye everyone.
Bye bye coconut.
Kana ngos kami brother vi mai pia bango ya lo fa ko